Okay, first things first. It's Monday. After this slide, there's actually going to be a video that's going to tell you how to do everything, which is the one I'm recording right now. Alright, first things first, just like last time, you have your 3 high frequency words. I'm going to go over how to do that. So you can go to a fresh new tab, hit your waffle, open up a Google Doc. You might already have a Google Doc from last week. If not, blank Google Doc. Come back over so you can remember what your first word is, and it is probably. So you can go ahead and probably come type it up over here, probably, just so you have that for a reference. And then you can go back and start your timer. Remember, your timer works when you go over to another tab, so let it roll and come over here and type probably as many times as you can until the timer goes off. Then remember, you hit tools and word count, or you can do the shortcut Control-Shift-C to see how many words you type in a minute. Once you're done with that word, you can go on to the next 2 words and reset that timer. Once you're done there, you will come back and do the next thing, which is taking forever to load. Alright, I'll just show you right here. So, this is the part where you will go to your Google form and you'll watch a video. So you can go there by clicking here and then this little link, or I can put it in your Google Classroom, both places. So I can actually set it in here. So let me do that now, so I don't forget. Okay, so it's also going to be right here if you want to do it there. But if not, you can just literally click here one time and then a link will pop up at the bottom. Just like that. So once you open it, you're going to come to it. You will type your name in, watch the video, and then there's a couple questions, which if you need those read it to you, sorry, oh my word, Monday brain. If you need those read to you, here we go. If not, well, you can listen quietly for a second. Crayons are made from oil, wax, glue. At what degree Celsius does the wax have to be melted? 33, 55, 62. I'll fix that typo. What 2 colors make an orange crayon? Blue and yellow, orange and yellow, red and yellow. How does the melted wax cool? They put it in a big freezer. They pour cold water over it and never gets cold. How many crayons are produced each hour? I'm not going to read those answer choices. I want to see if you know your numbers. And what happens to a crayon after it gets labeled? Goes to the stores, goes into a box, it gets put into a freezer. Crayons can come in packs of 10, 20, or 24. And who puts the crayons in the boxes? The workers, the machine, or Garfield? Alright, once you're done with that, obviously submit it. Then you will go and do writing on Google Classroom. This time, I put it just where it's a day for slides. So you'll come back to your Google Classroom and there's the link for the writing. So you'll open it and you'll get just the Monday slide. So it'll look like this. And then your writing, you can choose from the Would You Rather card. So those are also here, so you can click and open them and choose one. If you're starting to run out, I mean, right now you should be okay. There's 5 pages worth, guys. So pick one of those and then go back and write about it. in here or type it. You can also insert an image if you want to just take a picture of your writing if you're doing it on paper. And you can do that by putting insert, image, camera, and then you can take a picture with your Chromebook. Then, of course, it's deer time. Like I told you last week, you can do this either at this time when you're done with writing, or you can do it at the end of the day when you're free from everything else. Then you can go and post on Flipgrid, and I will link that also in the Google Classroom under Monday. I'll link it every single day so you can go into that Google Classroom. Remember, you can listen to other people's Flipgrids so that you might be interested in the book that they're reading. Remember to keep your comments appropriate and only educational videos at this time. And then lastly, I'm asking you to please, please, please check your social studies Google Classroom along with your math and science as well. And I believe that is all for Monday, guys.